Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you have been following me, thank you so very much. So today we are preparing this pepper steak. This pepper steak can go with rice or pasta. You can see how colorful this is, and that is how yummy it is. If you want to know how I made this, please just watch this video to the end. Keep liking my videos, keep sharing, and always give this video a thumbs up, please. So guys, let's run through our recipe for our pepper steak. You can see here we have our meat thoroughly washed. You can see the part of the meat I'm using because it is soft, so it can cook so easily and so tender. Here we have our cornstarch. We have the soy sauce. It's a mixture of light soy sauce and dark soy sauce, black pepper, natural honey, ginger, garlic, chicken seasoning, olive oil, salt. Then of course our peppers, we have the green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and then the red bell pepper, and then onions. So before we start, let me just prep everything so it can be easy when we start cooking. So I'll start cutting the meat thinly. You can see how I'm cutting the meat. So guys, I'm done cutting. See the way it looks like. So I'll pour them in here. I will now marinate. So first I'll add in black pepper, add in soy sauce, I'll add in my chicken seasoning. Now add in the cornstarch. And I'll add in some oil. Then I'll be adding honey. So I'll chop in some garlic and ginger. Raw ginger and garlic is always so good for your cooking. Garlic, you have to cut so thinly. So I'll pour it in here. Gloves, and then combine everything together. Let all the juice touch the meat. So like so. So I'll just set it aside, and then I'll cut the vegetables, as in the yellow bell pepper and onions. So now I'll start preparing the peppers. Let me start cutting the onions. You don't have to cut it thinly, let it be chunky. You can use white onions for this, but I didn't have white onions, so I'm using this red onions as they call it, even though it's purple in color. You can see how chunky it is. So just try and separate them. Separate them so you can cook very well. But if you want yours to be bigger than this, you can go ahead and cut it that way or the way you like. So I have separated them. The rest is separate in the heat. Take them out. And the peppers. You have to take the seed of the pepper because at times it's bitter. Also cut in chunks too. I'm done with the green bell pepper, so let me go ahead to cut the yellow bell pepper. You can use any of the peppers you might like to add or omit, depends on how you like it. Guys, so you can see I'm done with the peppers. Now over to the gas cooker, let's be cooking again. So in the pan, I'll pour in some olive oil. For this, we have to use a non-stick pan. Allow it to be hot. You can now add the meat. If the meat is so much, you can't do it once, then you have to do it in batches. Wow, the aroma in my kitchen is heavenly. Ginger and garlic mix is the hit when you use it to cook. So guys, let's make the slurry. For the slurry, you add in some water, not too much. Then after adding your water, you add in your cornstarch. You have to stir very well so you can take out the lumps. Then you add in your soy sauce, then black pepper. So this is our slurry. Slurry is thickener. For those who might not know what slurry is, it's thickener. It thickens your sauce. So now over to the gas cooker, let us continue. So in your pan, add in some oil. When hot, add in your ginger and garlic and allow it to fry for 2 minutes. Add a bit of salt, not too much because the soy sauce has some salt there. And add in your onions. Add in the peppers. Don't overcook this so that it will still be crunchy. So now you have to increase your heat so it can cook so fast and allow it to retain its colors. Add in your slurry. You can see the liquid. Then add some chicken seasoning. Then now bring in your steak. Wow. What colors are here? So guys, this is what we have. Let me test for salt. The salt is just okay and it has this sweet taste. That is because of the honey we use in marinating the beef. This tastes so yummy. My kitchen is tasting, or the aroma in my kitchen is so heavenly. You can try this festive season. I know your family is going to love it. So our steak is ready and I'm going to be pairing this with hot rice. So guys, food is ready. Like I said, I'm pairing mine with rice. So the rice is ready. This is looking so yummy. Your family will love this steak, pepper steak. They'll really love it. I know mine is really going to love it. So guys, bon appetit. So yummy. This is something you really have to try. So yummy. So guys, I'm done here. Keep liking my videos, keep sharing, and always give my video a thumbs up, please. I will see you in my next. Bye bye.